I'm telling you, this is why you run the test. You want to guess where the leak is occurring? Yeah, you're right. In the basement, right there. Hey, we're getting sprinkled on. Hey, I guess Leak Detective. So this is the most YouTube-friendly house I've ever been at, unfortunately. I've been slow with the camera today. Anyway, if your gutters do that, you should clean them. And that's not your gutter, that's your downspout. But if you, whatever's doing that, you gotta clean it. It's just restricted because we got water coming out the bottom of it, right there, see that? I'm happy to check your whole house during these seller, you know, it's the seller's market days in Lincoln, Nebraska, or wherever you're at. I can be your home anywhere. I can travel if the fee's right. But anyway, give me a call, 402-309-3911, or check out my website.